We've all heard it. Put away the phone and drive. When you hear that familiar notification, you glance over instinctively, and then, just as so many of us have become conditioned to do, we reach for our phone. It's natural to wonder whom the message is from or what it says, but not when you are driving. Unfortunately, too many drivers are the ones reaching for their cell phones. We all know it's dangerous to use your phone while we're driving, but many drivers do so anyway, at great risk to themselves and others. In 2013, 3,154 people were killed, and an additional 424,000 people were injured by distracted drivers. Other surprising distracted driving facts include 16% of car accidents are the result of distracted driving. Car accidents are the #1 killer of people in the United States aged 11 to 27. Teen drivers crash 4 times more often than any other age driver. Studies indicate texting while driving is comparable to driving under the influence of 4 beers, and texting drivers are 23 times more likely to crash. Young drivers with minimal experience are at a 3 times higher risk of causing serious or fatal accidents than those drivers over the age of 20. However, they are not the only ones using their cell phones behind the wheel. A study conducted by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention found that 69% of drivers between the ages of 18 and 64 confessed to talking on their phones, and 31% admit to having read or sent at least one text message while driving in the past 30 days. In spite of the dangers to themselves and others, many drivers try to rationalize the risk by saying that reading a text only takes a short amount of time. On average, it takes approximately 5 seconds to read a text message. In that time, a car traveling at 55 miles an hour will cover the length of a football field. Distracted drivers who cause accidents could face penalties, lawsuits, and higher insurance premiums due to accident claims at the very least. The greatest cost could be a life, their own, a passenger, or another motorist. If you or someone you love has been injured in a car accident with a distracted driver, it is important to contact one of our attorneys immediately. Contact the offices of Hilliard, Wahlberg, Cudless, Sloan, and Woodruff, LLP for a free consultation and review of your case.